Hi guys, so I have a grocery Aldi haul. I have two of these great big box, well not great big, let me stop exaggerating. The two of these large boxes. Hubby and I went, Jason and I went after the gym, just him and I. And I wanted to pick up some things yesterday, but I didn't have time. My cousin had her housewarming, so she got a new house, the one I did the bridal shower for, and got married, and so we ran out of time. So I really wanted to get some things for the new week. So some things though, guys, is Super Bowlish, so it's not a whole lot of food, but I have food already here as well. So anyway, let's get this started because I want to go ahead and make this food so I can chill out today, because yeah, it's already almost 2 o'clock. Okay, so I picked up the bleach, the 10 Dow. I do like this bleach. It's concentrated. It is a 64-ounce bottle, but it's like a 96-ounce bottle, really. So I really like that. Some almond milk, I needed that. I had a smoothie before I went to, or protein drink, before I went to the gym. I used regular milk. Didn't care for it. But, and I like to get the vanilla, and this is the sweetened. California raisins. Josiah, he has training pants only at night. So he does go sometimes without it. He was without some for at least 4 days. Sometimes he'll have an accident, and today he didn't. Okay, 2% milk, Jason and them. We did pick up some water. I wanted to go ahead and get 2 cases, maybe 3, but the boy... we got a new fridge, and I will show that in one of those videos, yeah, and I showed it on Instagram. But anyway, when I put the water in the refrigerator, which I knew that was going to happen, they went through, I don't know how many I had in there, at least 10. They went through it. So Jason was like, you don't need as much because now we have filtered water. So I told him I'll see, but I like to take water with me when I go to work. So I don't have a water bottle, but still I like the bottled waters. Picked up 2 of the restaurant style. I like these more so than the rest of them, but they're probably all the same. It just seems like it's just seasoned better. I picked up some barbecue chips. Josiah likes the brown chips, mama. I picked up some nacho cheese flavor, and I picked these up mainly because it was the game. Some cheddar sour cream potato chips. And I'm doing it this way because the boxes are on the counter. And some navel oranges. Jason picked up a lot of this stuff too. So when I saw that he was going in and he was paying for it, I started putting stuff in the cart. Okay, so then picked up some paper plates, like I always do. This is his weakness, one of his weaknesses. Chinese food, and this is his weakness. So this to put some cookies and milk. And sometimes he'll put it in a bowl and eat it, y'all, and some cereal. Some Frosted Flakes. I picked up some smoked ham. I'm in tickle pink with the deli meat. I don't make a lot of sandwiches anymore, but I'll like roll it up or with cheese or something. But the deli meat will go bad really fast. And I'm so glad that's over with. Okay, the pepperoni. Pepperoni was about the only thing that will last, and I'm sure why, because all that darn salt. Even my baking, guys, I had a certain science that I had to, not science, but a certain routine I had to do where I had to use it within a certain time, or I had to freeze some of it. I picked up the New York style cheesecake. Didn't need it, but anyway, I picked up the bacon center cut bacon. I was disappointed that they didn't have the chicken wings, but I'm glad that I went and looked on that side one more time, because in the freezer case they had these wing sections, the first and the second joints. This was only like $5.97 Carver's. So I picked up 2 because I knew my crew, I knew Jason might make a face because I kept adding stuff to the buggy, but I didn't care because he gonna eat it and he gonna smash it. So I picked up 2 of these. One probably will be barbecue, and one will probably be like hot wings if I have enough, but more barbecue because Jason likes that. and everybody likes it. But I should have, I was supposed to take out the drumsticks, and we were going to have barbecue drumsticks with fried cabbage, but I forgot to take it out last night. I remembered and forgot, messing in my craft room. I picked up Jason picked up the Golden Delicious. He likes these. I like the regular green apples. Saya's Goldfish. I guess I'll bring you guys over here. Raspberry lemonade. We like the Fit and Active. I like the lemonade. We have some already because I just bought some. Some chicken breast. I really like the chicken breast rotisserie season from Aldi. It looks like that. What up, Trail? 80-20. And I'm going to make the Rotel dip in 1 second. And I was so glad that they had the cheese, because at first I didn't see the cheese, and I was going to use the cheese in a jar. Jason picked up some of these baby cut carrots. Oh, so I have everything for my dip. I didn't pick up carrots. I picked up celery and tomatoes. You're not going to share? That's jacked up. Some bacon bits. You ain't going to eat all them. And then I picked up some grape tomatoes. And I'll show you guys in 1 second when I get to it what I'm gonna make. Different dip. Some fruit punch. Jason picked that up. I picked up another. I have some, but just in case, because it's just 45 cents. The diced tomatoes with green chilies. Some fresh ground turkey. What's wrong with you? You look like you mad. Oh, I meant to put this back. The cheese dip, I meant to put that back. Because I was going to use this instead, 3 cans instead of the Velveeta Aldi brand, and the peanut butter filled cookies. Okay, and Jason picked up the Arctic Blast Excitement 54 pieces sugar-free gum. You get 3 packs in here. 18 pieces in a pack, 54 pieces total. They got it broken down. What you get there? To help with your appetite or just for work? Oh. So he be doing different stuff, like, and I'm sure it works. Like, he'll add fiber to what your protein drinks, Jason? Everything, so he can stay more filled, lose weight. It works. It works for him. And he chewing gum and stuff like that. I picked up the ranch dressing and dip when I went to my bariatric surgery group meeting. I should do a video on that because it was really helpful. I may do a video on it because it's a lot to say. Really helpful, but I was disappointed in a way. And anyway, so she gave us some recipes, and one was, which I knew forever, is to mix Greek yogurt with ranch dressing. So I'm going to try that. I picked up 2 packs of somewhere. Jason went back and picked up some almonds unsalted. Ugh. But I eat them. I like the salted, the roasted. I really love the Wakashaba ones that Arnold's have. The ones that have the seasoning and the bomb, but they just got a lot of sodium. Picked up some Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. This ain't gonna work. I'm running out of space. Some grapes. The wings still taste good. Picked up some Texas Toast 5 cheese. I picked up 2 of these. They still didn't have any tomato sauce. So instead of buying pizza, which we already had some frozen pizzas in there that Jason got for the boys, I probably just make they make their own little personal pizza and add some pepperoni to it. I should have picked up 2 pepperonis then. And then some celery. That was really cheap. It was like 95 cents. Jason picked up some Frosted Flakes, 2 boxes of those. Put your camera down, I hope. Let's see what else. The Velveeta, well, the Clancy cheese meal. I was glad they had that. And that was on the end cap in the front. So I was like, yes. The Radiance Premium Dishwasher Power Packs. Jason picked these up. These were $2.49. They're compared to Cascade Premium. I do wash dishes by hand. But the dishwasher doesn't get the dishes as clean. I think we put wear and tear on the dishwasher and we need a new one because we got it serviced and it's still. So anyway, he picked it up. I've got some cabbage to make fried cabbage. There's my other ranch dressing. The Texas toast. The Greek non-fat yogurt. My mama gets this a lot, the big one, but I was always afraid to get this because I didn't need that much, but I have a purpose for this, and then also our fridge will keep it longer now. So half of this will be for the dip, and half or some of it will be for the dip, and some of it will be, since it has 15 grams of protein, I decided to start putting these in my protein drink, so I'll have some more protein. But your body cannot absorb or consume but a certain amount of protein at a time anyway. Is it 30, Jason? 25 to 30 grams at a time anyway. So when you see something that's 40 grams max, and then because I had the sleeve, I probably don't absorb that all of it. But anyway, Jason also wanted some sunflower kernels roasted. He picked up some of this Elevation Vanilla. This has 30 grams. This is not, I think this is, he has the whey protein powder blend. It's not the, but it's good. It's not the pure, what's it called? Whey.
Oh, is that blend?
Yeah, it's blend. It's blend. Is Walmart's blend? No. Sometimes.
Sells blend, but I just picked up.
You didn't want blend. The dry roasted peanuts, honey roasted. Jason wanted those. And the difference, if you want to know, is the blend is what, Jason? It's
just mixed with different things. That's all.
Yeah, it's mixed with different things. And if it's all protein, usually it costs more. So that's a good indication. And then Jason picked up these things. These Grill Master beef patties, and they like to cook these and put them like on a broiler pan in the oven to cook real fast. He also gets those like for the boys. I don't really care for those too much if they want something really quick to eat when one day I'm not cooking. So that's it, guys, that I picked up from the store. Yeah, I showed water. So I'm getting ready to whip this together. Maybe I'll show some clips of after. And I'm just gonna make the rotel dip. I'm going to make some pizzas out of these little Texas toast, and then also make some chicken wings, and that's it. So something super simple, not a whole. And I think I might make a little veggie tray, but I'm just gonna chop the celery up. That's it. That's it. And then I'm gonna chill out the rest of the evening. So guys, thanks so much for watching, and I will turn the camera on, and if I remember, to take pictures of the after of what I cook. Bye guys, have a great day. Bye bye.